And welcome back to my channel. My name is Connie Dube. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. So today I am here with my first hair video for 2020, and I am going to be showing you how I went from this to this using Amazon clip-ins. Yes, I got these clip-ins from Amazon and they only cost me £30. So since the quarantine started, I've been wearing my natural hair out. It's been fun, but the only problem with wearing your natural hair out, if you have 4C hair especially, you know that it is high maintenance. My hair was starting to get dry, it was starting to get brittle, and it was shedding a lot. So I decided that it's time to protective style, because I'm still working from home and I don't have the time to be constantly doing my hair. Even though I'm at home, I just need to be getting ready for work, doing my work and getting on with it. So the first style that I did was some Bantu knots. I did those for about 2 weeks, and they were nice, they were cute, but I got bored of them quickly. If you haven't seen my video on Bantu knots, it will be on the right hand side of your screen, so your right, not my right. So it'll be on your right hand side, so you can click on that and see how I do my Bantu knots. They literally take me less than 15 minutes to do using the method that I use. So make sure to check that video out. Then I moved on to doing some head wraps. That didn't last a long time either because I got bored, and I just get bored quickly. And then I moved into my wig, which I'm now bored of. So then I found these Amazon clip-ins quite a while ago actually, and I just haven't actually put them in. So I'm finally going to be putting them in. Let's get into the specs of the hair. So the clip-ins come in the standard Amazon packaging, and honestly I don't think it was necessary to have such a big box for the quantity and weight of the clip-ins, but I'm just going to show you what they look like out of the box. I have already opened this box before because I'm impatient. So I got 2 packs of the clip-ins. So each one has about 9 wefts, and they are all different lengths. So I've already opened this one, so I'm just going to put that to the side and show you what the clip-ins actually look like when you take them out of the packaging. This is what the packaging inside that packaging looks like. So essentially it says the inches of the hair that you are getting, and I got 14 inches as mentioned before. And then just opening it up, put that to the side as well. It comes with the extra clips that you can always put in later on if you need to. And then there's a tag with the company's name on there as well, and it literally just states that it's 100% human hair and the company's name, which is Saga Queen, if you can see that on there. And then there's this dinner lady fishnet situation that's protecting the hair from the previous packaging. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that and show you what the hair looks like straight out of the package. Goodness, it's tangled up. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, and this is all the 9 wefts. So if you can see, the curls are a little bit loose, and this is the hair without being washed or anything being done to it, without being brushed yet, and it has a nice curl pattern to it. And then I'm just going to show you what the other pack looks like, the one that I opened, so you get an idea of the difference between the texture of the hair when it comes out straight from the pack and when you have twisted it a little bit. So like I mentioned, the hair does come in different wefts. So there's the first weft has 4, this one is like the second weft, and each section has 2 wefts, and they are double wefted as well, and you get the clips which are already sewed onto the track. I would say, looking at this, I would say you should go over it again just to make sure that it's extra secure and it won't come out that easily. So this is what the hair looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash this and then twist them, because I will be doing a twist out on these and then show you what it looks like later on when I'm styling it and everything else in between.
So I went ahead and ran some water in my bathroom sink, and I literally soaked the hair in there, and I used just some random conditioner from Sainsbury's, nothing special. It was probably like £1, and I detangled the hair using just my fingers. The hair was actually really soft and easy to detangle, so that's a good thing. And yeah, so I just made sure that I detangled them thoroughly with my fingers, and once the hair was semi-dry, I went ahead and detangled it using a comb, and that was easy to do as well. And that's just the bundle that I hadn't separated, and as you can see, I can easily run my fingers through it. I then decided that I wanted to do twists, and I just used some mousse and some conditioner as well, and I did a few twists.
So once I finished washing the clip-ins, I actually didn't go ahead and twist the clip-ins like I showed in the video, because I just thought, I just didn't have time. It was taking too long and there are a lot of clip-ins, so I just decided that I was going to just comb them out. So I put the Aunt Jackie's moisturizing cream, and I also put the hair oil on there, just a little bit, not too much hair oil, and I literally just combed it out. So once the clip-ins are combed out, they are a lot more fuller, and this is what they look like. So this is, so here I have the clips with the 3 clips. So I've got the hair wefts of the 3 clips, and then these ones are the ones with 2. So it's a lot of hair, and I honestly don't think I'll be using all of it, mainly because my hair is small. I have a small head, so I'll probably use some of them and then leave some of them out. And yeah,
so I went ahead and prepped my hair for flat twist. I sprayed it with water and added the Aunt Jackie's moisturizer, and yeah, just making sure that it's moisturized, and then I'm adding some oil to seal in the moisture and making sure that I also get those edges, because we love our edges in 2020. And yeah,
so this is what my flat twist look like, and these 2 right here are the ones that I'm going to be blending with the clip-ins, and then the rest will be away, including the back as well. Hopefully the clips were clear, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid these sections together. And then I'll be left with these 2 that I will be taking out. The clip-in with 4, I'm just gonna measure to see if it's too wide. So that's the clip-in with 4, so that's a no. And then I have the clip-ins with 3, still too wide. So what I'm going to do is just use the clip-in with 2 at the back. So you need to make sure that you open the clips, and they should look like that once they open, and then I'll put the 2 at the very back. That's what the hair is looking like. That's just 2 clip-ins, and I will add another one to the base, and then so still 2, so let it cut.
So I just continued to put the clip-ins, and as I went up my head, I added the tracks with more clips. So I started off with 2, then added the ones with the 3 clips, and then moved on to the 4 clip-ins. So I went ahead and put some oil on the part that I'm leaving out and took out the 2 parts of the flat twist that I had parted to help that blend in with the hair and cover up the tracks at the front. But I am absolutely loving how natural these clip-ins look, and I went ahead and just added some more moisturizer on there just to make it easy to comb out.
I cannot wait to style this hair. Like, I feel like, oh, honestly, I'm lost for words. Like, the way it literally blends in seamlessly with my hair is fantastic. I can't wait to try doing like twist outs and flexi rod on this hair, because it acts and behaves just like natural hair, and I absolutely love it. Like, guys, so I actually didn't use all the clip-ins. I'm gonna take out a few because I feel like it's a bit much hair. I didn't use all the clips, so I have this one, I have, oh, they dropped, I have these ones, and I have this one. There's like a few other clips that I'm not close by, but I didn't use all the hair, so I'm going to take out a few. But I think if you have a bigger head than me, you definitely need to use 2 packs. You might need to use the whole full 2 packs. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this hair. Don't forget to check the description box for all the information regarding the hair and the link of where I got the hair from on Amazon. And also let me know what other hairstyles you want to see me try, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Bye.